All right, so this is a tutorial on the Great Gate, or Dumun Hyung, in the Musakwan system. So this is our first form. We usually teach this at 4th GUP, purple belt, and for 2 years you work on it at least before your black belt. So this one's a Tam Tui, or a very linear Kung Fu style form. So we're gonna start here at your ready, your attention, you're gonna go ready position, and then you're gonna do your Dumun position. That's this here. Okay, we're gonna walk through the first half, and then we're gonna put the whole form together. So just kind of follow along. First thing you wanna do, you wanna bring the hand here underneath. You're gonna look at the same time. Your body is gonna expand into a front stance, and you're going to lock into this long fist technique. Okay? Next, you're gonna drop the hip here. The hip drops. I'm gonna motivate it, make one hammer, and the second hammer. Okay? I'm gonna reach, and then gonna pull, and make this scoop here, and push. Next part, I'm gonna turn this hand here. I'm gonna bring it back, and we're gonna do a low strike at the same time as we do the hand strike. So we do a kick, and then we land. You should be in a forward stance. This hand is a hammer fist. This hand's forward. It's a style of the form. So this is like a long fist style. We're going to do the sweep, and when you do the sweep, you want this hand to sweep around, and you're going to bring it this way. I'm then going to move the foot slightly over, and I'm going to do a U punch. After the U punch, I'm going to slide into this like kind of back stance with a little mini high block, and we're going to finish with a side punch and a yell. Yeah. And then from here, we repeat it. So we go in 1, contract, expand. Drop it. This one now moving first. You're right, up, 2 strikes. Reach, pull it back, and then we're going to push. Okay, that's the soft part. Pull this one back, kick, land, long fist style. Now we're going to do the sweep again. The hand's going to come here. You're going to go low, sweep the leg, punch, good. Now slide it back and finish. And then when we finish, back here to this position, and then back to ready. Okay, so that was Max and I demonstrating it slower so you can kind of keep up. Here's the actual pace of the form. So just kind of like understand this is how it should look, or close to what it should look like when you're done with the repetition.